What up? I'm Melissa Fortune of Created by Fortune, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to unbox my Marc Jacobs Rhinestone Kiki boots. Excuse the background and the noise. Today, I'm in my kitchen because my bedroom is a mess. We just got a new puppy. He's losing his shit. Callie, my older dog, is chilling on the couch. So again, sorry for any background noise. Before I open the box, I have been fiending for these shoes for so long. For the millennials out there, I know you'll feel me. They're very reminiscent of the Jeffrey Campbell Lita boots. Back in the day, and I'll put a picture up, I had a pair of black Lita glitter boots and I was absolutely obsessed. Absolutely obsessed. Although these shoes look like platform Mary Janes, which they are, on the website, they're called the Kiki ankle boot. This shoe does come in a few options. White leather, black leather. It definitely comes in black embossed croc. I'm not sure about the white. Pink satin, and then the black on black rhinestone, and then the crystal rhinestone on black. I believe it's satin fabric. So I'm gonna read you the description on the website. First debuted on the fall 16 runway, the original Kiki boot quickly made waves all over the industry. At 6 inches tall with a 3-inch platform, this ankle height version of the iconic silhouette is embellished with glistening rhinestone and complete with round toe and signature multi-strap front. For features, suede upper with rhinestones, leather footbed sole and insole 3-buckle closure. It comes with a monogram duster bag for traveling. We have 3-inch platform. The first 2 straps are non-adjustable and the top 3 are. I got these in a size 8. Let's try these bad boys on. These are keepers. I'm obsessed. I love these. They feel pretty comfortable. Normally platforms for me are on the more comfortable side. Not to say that they feel like sneakers, because they don't, but y'all know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. These are so freaking cute. And they are glistening. My, oh my. What I do appreciate is that I have wide feet and they fit my feet perfectly. What do you guys think? I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous just because I haven't worn crazy platforms since like pre-pandemic, but these feel good. I feel sturdy, I feel secure. I do not feel like I'm gonna bust my ass. Yeah, I'm definitely keeping these. I'm definitely keeping these. So that is all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I think I'm gonna do a styling video on these shoes, so let me know what in particular you want to see. These with trousers, dresses, skirts, whatever. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're into fun, fashion, relatable content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. And that's all, folks. Until next time, peace.